So the order is Abhishek Kenkre, Abhishek Pratapan, Pawan, and Suresh. So the first question of the final goes to Kenkre. Abhishek, who is the only player to have played 150 matches for a single team in the Champions League and in the process winning it thrice?
Is it Messi?
Not Messi. Goes to Pratapan.
One price. Is it Casillas?
Yes, Iker Casillas is the right answer. Great track. 10 points to Abhishek Pratapan. Next direct is Pawan's direct. So Pawan, slightly old question. France beat England in a football match for the first time on 14th May 1931 by a scoreline of 5-2 after losing to them on 6 occasions previously. The French wanted a memento for their victory, and this is the first documented instance of a tradition that is followed even today. What tradition are we talking about? So this was the first time French beat England ever, and they wanted some memento for their victory.
Is it the exchange of T-shirts?
Yes, very good answer, Pawan. So this was the first instance of shirt swapping in the history of football, and as we know that this tradition is followed even today. The next direct is Suresh direct. Suresh, what non-footballing achievement connects these players? Lionel Messi, Neymar, Balotelli, and Kylian Mbappe. It's a non-footballing achievement.
Pass. No idea.
Passes to Abhishek Kinkre.
No idea.
Passes to Pratapan.
Non-footballing achievement. UN ambassadors or something?
Passes to Pawan.
They won some humanitarian award.
So we'll go back to Suresh. Suresh, your hint is this achievement is just give me one moment. So this is also an achievement that's shared by Barack Obama.
They are New York Times bestsellers.
No, passes to Abhishek Kinkre.
They have been named in for 30 under 30.
No, goes to Pratapan.
बहुत weird सा question है.
So it's an exhaustive list. So no other footballers have made it to this list. But Barack Obama has.
What does Barack Obama?
And they haven't been presidents of their countries.
I can try once again. Are we allowed to try once again?
No,
we can't. मेरा try दे दे किंग को मैं बोलता हूँ. दे दे मैं बोलता हूँ. होने के बाद last में I'll just give it a go. Okay, चलेगा ठीक है.
मेरे को भी दिमाग में आ रहा है कुछ बोल देंगे तो अभी तुम लोग बोलो.
Have they acted in a movie or something?
No, goes to Pawan.
Times Man of the Year.
I need a very specific answer. Can you improve that answer?
And they've all been times man of the year or something. Times.
I can give you the answer, but जाने दो अभी छोड़ो.
Okay, I'll give it to Pawan. They are
Most
the only
influential.
footballers to have appeared on the Time magazine cover.
हाँ.
So
What is
I-
Times Man of the Year?
अरे वो most influential रहता है, man of the year वगैरह.
So मतलब is
Uh,
it just these 4 footballers who have been most influential? ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ.
No, they have appeared on the
On the
cover.
cover.
cover of the
तो
magazine.
So that is a different answer now. Man of the year is a different.
Time was the word.
Time magazine बोला ना?
Yeah.
Simpsons
Uh,
बोले.
Next is Suresh direct. Suresh, which club allegedly suffers from the curse of?
Benfica.
Oh, nice. So I'll just complete the question for
Yeah.
the people. So which club allegedly suffers from the curse of Bela Gutmann, where he left a board meeting in 1962 after being turned down a pay rise. In his words, not in 100 years from now will this club ever be European champions again. And they have lost 5 European finals, 1 UEFA League finals, and 2 Europa League finals.
And the last UEFA Europa League final they lost was against Chelsea. इसलिए मेरे को पता है ये.
Oh, nice.
Dangerous curse है बे.
10 points to Suresh. Great
That's
answer,
correct.
Suresh.
20 दे दे इसके लिए.
ऐसे करके चला गया.
Next is Abhishek Increase direct. Abhishek, in the year 1908, a European country decided to have 2 leagues. A national championship where no foreign players were allowed, and a federal championship which allowed foreign players. This led to the division of a club into 2 teams, one who played with local players in the national championship and the other played with international players in the federal championship. Which 2 clubs are we talking about?
Inter Milan and AC Milan.
Awesome. Great answer, Abhishek. So that's why Inter is
Trophy दे
called
देंगे इन लोग.
international.
International.
because they allowed international players. So Abhishek Kenkre gets 10, and the next direct is Pratapan's direct. Abhishek, which football club's logo is this? This is the first logo of some football club. What club?
ये बहुत drastically change हुआ है क्या recent times में?
Then Heath, Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway, 1978.
1878.
Sorry, 1878. 1978 तो पता चल गया था.
United है क्या?
Yes, Manchester United is the right answer. 10 points to Abhishek Pratapan.
Thanks man. ये नहीं
Great
देखा.
try, great try. Next is Pawan's direct. Pawan, an Arsenal player, was red carded for a handball against after being mistaken for another Arsenal player in a match against Chelsea. So one of the players you can see on the screen, and there was the other player who wasn't red carded for the offense committed. So I need the names of the two. The one on the screen has 4 points, while the other one has 6 points. So I need the names of the two players.
What? Pass.
Goes to Suresh.
The one on the screen was wrongly sent off is Kieran Gibbs, and the one who committed the handball was Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain.
Awesome, great answer. So it was a big news. What memes I had to do.
Wenger's 1000 match, 6 million.
So Chamberlain had actually committed the handball and Gibbs was sent off. So 10 points to Suresh. Next is Abhishek Kenkre's direct. Abhishek, this is an advertisement given by Jean Gamper in 1899 in Los Deportes, stating that he had started a football club and wanted matches to be played in this city to contact him on Tuesdays and Fridays between 9 to 11 p.m. This led to the formation of which football club? So the name that I've blanked out is the name of the club, and this is the news article that he had sent, advertisement that he had posted. So
is it Barcelona? I remember
yes,
Barcelona
yes,
being
yes,
accepted
yes. Great answer, Abhishek. It
उनका
was
pre-season
Barca.
trophy is the Gamper trophy लगता है.
Yeah. So next is Abhishek Pratapan's direct. Abhishek, in the 2005 Champions League finals, which Liverpool won, which player missed the last penalty to hand Liverpool the trophy?
बहुत simple है यार ये.
नहीं पता है मेरे को, सच में नहीं पता मेरे को.
बहुत simple है.
Team पता है तो take a
मेरे को
guess.
टीम पता है पर मेरे को याद नहीं मेरे को.
If you can.
टीम
take a
सबको
guess.
पता है. Player important है.
चेल्सी बायर्न पूछता तो मैं बोल देता.
अरे रे रे जाने दो.
ये मेरे को पास नहीं करना है. किसके पास जा रहा है इसके बाद?
Pawan.
पवन को पता है ये. बैक पास दे दे मेरे को.
शेवचेंको.
Oh, nice man.
साले नाटक मत कर.
ये नाटक कर रहा था कि
वो
सोच
नाटक करते हैं.
10 points to Pratapan. Yeah, Andrei
एक्टिंग के लिए पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलते थे.
Shevchenko. The answer.
हाँ शो वोटिंग.
ओनली आंसर्स शोमैनशिप.
तू नहीं कर रहा था पहला लाइन पढ़ के बेंफिका वाला.
Next is Pawan's direct. Pawan, in the English Premier League, what is St.
Arey.
Tottenham's Day? A pretty straightforward question. What is called the St. Tottenham's Day?
ये टॉटिंगहैम इसका
ये कौन सा क्लब है?
नहीं टॉटनहैम का कुछ है क्या?
I need a specific answer.
Tottenham was founded this day.
रोहित नो हाफ
Passes to
Go for it,
Suresh.
right?
Yes,
Passes to Suresh.
it is the
As
day
well we can
they
see them.
officially fall behind. They officially finish behind Arsenal on the Premier League table.
Yes. So it's when it's mathematically impossible
Yeah.
for Tottenham to finish behind above Arsenal.
Hmm.
So 10 points to Suresh. So we'll reverse the order. The next question is Pawan's direct. Pawan, connect these players with regards to Champions League. Gigi Buffon, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, and Cesc Fabregas. So this is an exhaustive list. No other players can fall in this list.
All of them have been to the finals of Champions League but never won.
No, passes to Abhishek Pratapan.
All of them have been red carded before a Champions League final.
No, goes to Kinkre.
None of them have won the Champions League.
Can you improve the answer?
I said the same.
I definitely know Zlatan hasn't.
No, not that.
They haven't played even when their team has won the Champions League, because maybe Sex was on the bench one time.
No. Passes to
They were the
Suresh.
starting 11.
No. Passes to Suresh.
Uh, they left their team and came to their present teams, and their previous team won the Champions League.
No, so we'll go back to Pawan, and Pawan, Abhishek Kenkre was on a good track, but one word hint I'll give you is longevity.
Basically, they are the top. I mean, they played the most number of matches in the Champions League without having won a final.
Can you give me a specific, more specific answer?
Most number of Champions League appearances without winning a final. Is that it? Because that was my first answer, actually.
No, I'm actually looking at something more. So a lot of players have played more matches as well. So there's something that these three have done.
Okay, they have played with the maximum number of clubs plus most appearances without winning a final. Is
So
that it?
I'll give you part points, but I'll move to Abhishek. If no one else answers, I'll give you all 5.
Okay.
Abhishek,
They
can
have
you
played. They have played the most Champions League finals without winning it.
No, goes to Abhishek Kenkre.
They have won 100 plus. They have played 100 plus matches without winning the Champions League.
Yeah, 100 was the number that I was looking for. Great track.
All right.
So I'll give 2.5 to Pawan and 2.5 to Kenkre. Of course, still 100 plus is still a correct way of putting it. So yeah, 2.5 to Abhishek Kenkre and 2.5 to Pawan. So the next direct goes to Suresh. Suresh, what connects these players in terms of
Sent off in the World Cup finals.
awesome?
अबे रुक तो सही.
अरे खत्म ही करने दे. So
Sorry.
players are no problem. Pedro
Yeah.
Monzon, Gustavo Desotti, Marcel Desai, Zinedine Zidane, and John Aitinga.
We have a first bencher with us.
10 points.
हाँ
to
मैं है You are right.
मेरे को कोई घमंड नहीं है पर मैं
Great answer, Suresh.
Quizmaster Suresh, our audience is.
The next is Pawan's direct.
But
Pawan, what is the nickname given to the Indian football team?
the Blues.
Not the Blues. Goes to Abhishek Pratapan.
Blue Tigers.
Yes, the Blue Tigers is the right track.
मैं Bengal Tigers बोलने वाला था.
10 points to Abhishek. Good crack. Blue Tigers is the answer. So Abhishek Kenkre, this is the next question, and this is one that I'm really proud of. So how are the deaths of the below personalities connected to football? Steve Jobs, Osama bin Laden, Muammar Gaddafi, Whitney Houston, Paul Walker, Robin Williams, Alan Rickman, and the list is non-exhaustive. So there are more people which are associated to this.
Yeah.
और आएंगे.
After Ramsey scoring.
Oh, awesome answer. So yeah, this is the curse of Aaron Ramsey at this age. So every time Ramsey scores, someone dies apparently. Poor guy. 10 points to Abhishek Kenkre. Great track. Next is Suresh. Suresh direct. Suresh, Alex McLeish was the manager of the Rangers, and his son John told him about this great after seeing him on Football Manager. McLeish tried to sign him for Rangers but got a firm no from the other side. Which player did Alex McLeish try to sign for the Rangers in the early 2000s?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
No, goes to Pawan. So his son did the scouting for him on Football Manager.
Julian Rodriguez.
Not Rodriguez. Goes to Abhishek Pratapan.
For the Rangers. ये सक्सेसफुल हुआ क्या?
No, he got a firm no from the other side.
अच्छा, okay.
Try to sign.
Messi?
Yes, Lionel Messi was the player.
दो बोलने में से एक बोल दिया तू.
हाँ.
हाँ?
Abhishek gets 10.
I
So
was
it could
either
have been
Messi
either
or
Ronaldo or Messi.
हाँ, रोनाल्डो मेसी वही सोचा मैं. और क्या? तू नहीं था थर्ड आंसर.
Abhishek gets 10. Next is Abhishek Kenkre's direct. Abhishek, FIFA introduced this rule after 1948 Olympics. Even though the Indian football team had qualified for the World Cup in 1950, scheduled to be at Brazil, this new rule is supposed to be one of the reasons why the team pulled out of the World Cup. What rule are we talking about?
That you're supposed to wear shoes while playing football.
Yes, and the Indian team played barefoot.
साले इससे easy questions नहीं डाल सकता ना तो finals में.
10 points to Abhishek. See the final.
What are the scores, by the way?
Yeah, I'll give out the scores. So Abhishek Kenkre is on 42.5. Abhishek Pratapan is on 50. Pavan is on 17.5 and Suresh is on 40. We have 4 more questions. Yeah, so last question was Abhishek Kenkre, he answered it. This is for Suresh. So Suresh, which English football club was initially known as Saint Domingo FC?
Manchester City.
Not City. Goes to Pawan.
Everton.
Everton is the right answer. 10 points to Pawan. Great answer. So they were called Saint Domingo because there was a chapel by that name.
Chapel, yeah.
So the next direct is Abhishek Pratapan. Abhishek, identify this Brazilian player. So he started in 91, played for União São João, Palmeiras, Inter Milan. From 96 to 2007, he played for a club, and it would have been very obvious if I had given that name. From 2007 to 9, he moved to Fenerbahce, Corinthians, Anzi Makachkala, and finally he ended up at Delhi Dynamos. Who is the Brazilian player?
एक साल के लिए वो क्लब में खेला क्या वो? 96 to 97. अच्छा 2007.
2007.
अच्छा. Roberto Carlos.
Yes, Roberto Carlos is a great answer. 10 points to Abhishek.
Delhi Dynamos was a good hint.
Yeah.
वो नहीं रखना चाहिए था.
Real Madrid रखता तो.
Real Madrid रखता तो मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता. चला तो Delhi Dynamos निकाल देता तो. सच्ची में नहीं.
Next is Abhishek Kenkre's direct. Abhishek, which football stadium has the highest capacity in India?
Salt Lake Stadium.
Salt Lake Stadium is
Kolkata.
Kolkata. 10 points to Abhishek Kenkre. The last question of the quiz goes to Suresh. Suresh, which football superstar was born at Leeds, present-day England, while his father, Alf Ince Dash, was playing for Leeds United in the English Premier League from 97 to 2000, and then for Manchester City from 2000 to 2003.
I waited for you to complete the question. Erling Braut Haaland.
Thanks.
First bench.
Great answer. So
जीता नहीं है तो चलेगा.
Suresh picks 10 more, and we conclude the quiz. I'll just give out the scores. So Abhishek Kenkre ends with 52.5. Abhishek Pratapan ends with 60. Pawan ends with 27.5. And Suresh ends with 50. So Abhishek Pratapan is the winner for the quiz with 60. Great quiz, guys.
ये बदला है रे सुरेश बदला.
Second place is Abhishek Kenkre with 52.5 and Suresh comes in close third with 50. So 10 points में top 3 खत्म किया. Like it was that close. एक question पे change हो सकता था.
मैं स्टार्टिंग में कसियासी बोलने वाला था.
अरे वो काफी सारी चीजें वो दूसरों का है वो आता था. ठीक है वो इसमें होता ही है वो.
तू क्या बोला था उसके लिए?
सोच के रखा तू कैसे बोलते करके. Yeah, I wasn't sure कैसियास 3 जीता है कि नहीं.
0, 2 और 14 ना, इसलिए तब से खेल रहा था.
Awesome. Great quiz, guys.